I'm sorry if I seem interested or I'm not listening or I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here, but since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. I don't dance, don't ask, I don't need a boyfriend, so you can go back. Please enjoy your party, I'll be here somewhere in the corner under clouds of marijuana with this boy who's hollering I can hardly hear. Over this music I don't listen to, and I don't wanna get with you, so tell my friends that I'll be over here. Oh, here, oh, here, oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, here, oh, here, and I can't wait till we can break about it. Hours later, congregating next to the refrigerator, some girl talking about a hater, she ain't got none. How did it ever come to this? I shouldn't ever come to this, so holler at me, I'll be in the car when you're done. I'm standoffish, don't want what you're offering, and I'm done talking awfully. Said it had to be that way, so tell my people when they're ready that I'm ready, and I'm standing by the TV with my beanie low. Yo, I'll be over here. Oh,